Welcome. In this video, you are going to learn how to run a C program on Linux operating system, especially Ubuntu Linux operating system. Before running a program, you need some software. Let us see how to set up that software and develop a simple C program and run it on Linux operating system, especially on the command line. So first we need to check whether the C compiler is already present on your Linux operating system or not. In some versions of Linux operating system or Ubuntu Linux operating system, you may get the C compiler GCC stands for GNU compiler collection automatically along with the operating system. But on some versions of Ubuntu Linux, you need to explicitly install the software, download and install the software. So let me show you how to accomplish it. Go to the command line and first check whether the GCC compiler is present or not. So use the command gcc -v. Go to the command line, just check gcc -v. If you get something like this and it shows a version, see on my computer the version it is showing is GCC version 7.5.0, then GCC compiler collection is already installed on your computer. Otherwise, you need to use a command to install it. So this is the command you have to use to install the GCC on your Linux operating system. So you have to say sudo a superuser apt-get install build essential. So this package we have to install. So when you install this package, not only C but also C++ compiler gets installed. Along with that, a build tool also gets installed. So let me do a copy paste of this command. You copy it, open the terminal. Let me do a clear. We just paste it. So if it is already installed, it says nothing to install, otherwise it gets installed. Once this is done, you are ready to develop a C program. For that, you can use a simple text editor called gedit on your Ubuntu Linux, gedit, so followed by the program name. You can save your program anywhere on your computer, better save it on a specific folder so that you will remember where you have saved the programs so that later on you can refer to those programs. So I am saving the program on the desktop, and on the desktop I have created a folder, so I want to save the C program onto that folder. So let me show you that folder. So on desktop I have a folder named as C programs. So I am going to save a program in C programs folder, which is again present on desktop. So first do a cd to desktop, then do a cd to C programs. Okay, so one more time do a clear screen. Then say gedit followed by the program name. You can give any name. I say welcome 1, or say let us say sum of two numbers. I assume that you already know some C programming on other operating systems like Windows operating system. Here just I want to demonstrate how to develop and how to run the program. I will not explain the coding part. Let us say sum1.c. So this is going to be our source code file. Now gedit gets opened. Let us save it first. Update it. After typing few lines, keep on updating it. So this is the first program. So I say hash include stdio.h, then say int main. This I assume you already know all these things. Int abc, and enter two numbers, then scanf, %d, address of A, address of B, then say C is equal to A plus B, then print the sum is equal to %d, C, followed by a small backslash. So we are done with editing the program. Now let us get back to the terminal. Now we need to compile the program. How do we compile the program? For that we use the gcc command. We have to create an object code. For that we have to use the option -o, indicating that we want to generate an object code. Now what is the name of the object code? That can be anything. I say sum1 object code. Okay, it can be anything. Okay, you need not suffix with object code name. You can just say sum1. Then what is the source code name? Sum1.c. That's it. Object code just gets generated onto your folder. So let us verify. So this is the source code and this is the object code file. Now we have to run the object code file. How do we run it? Just say // followed by the object code file. So that is sum1 object code. So this is how you run the object code file. Make sure that you spell it correctly. Sum1 object code. So C starts executing. You enter two numbers, say 4 and 10. It says sum is equal to 14. I hope you understood how to set up the required software to develop and run a C program. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.